Good morning and welcome back to my channel, DIY Fish Pond, Recreation Pond, and Recreation Lap Swim Pool. It's 4:30 in the morning. I've been at work on the pond, or the lap pool, for the last 3 hours. I'm using a graveyard shift because it's been 95 to 105 degrees on a regular basis here in Edgewood, New Mexico, up in the mountains and in the valley of Albuquerque. So yesterday I had a good case of heat stroke and passed out. So I learned my lesson. If it's over 90 degrees, you got to consider your health, consider taking a break and adjusting your schedule. Anyways, getting back to the recreation lap pool. Keyword recreation. By all means, I'm not using standard commercial applications. I'm using basic common sense, concrete and cement, and waterproofing fundamentals. A lot of research has gone into this lap pool. As you know, this was once a fish pond, and it was excellent, in my opinion, and maybe your opinion too, if you reviewed some of my previous YouTubes. So what are we looking at right here is the 14-foot swim lap lane. It's wide enough for 2 people to swim laps. And on the end of the 14-foot lap lane is a 2-foot drop-off for a total of 4 feet depth for swimming. I added the 2-foot drop-off in the 6x8. There's 8 feet there, 6 feet wide, and 8 feet on the other side, of course, so that this could be a cold spot for plunging, for soaking, and enjoying a mini pool deep end. So the last 3 hours I've been working on the lower half of the wall. There's 4 feet there. I've got another 4.5 feet to go. And once I complete that side, I will go to the other side and get started on that. I did work on their cornerstone work right there, which is key to transitioning to the walls to the bottom of the lap pool. So I hope this information is of value to you. If it is, great, like and subscribe. I appreciate it. We have now hit 100 videos, Adam Lacerna YouTube videos, and it was a goal of mine to hit 90 videos in 90 days. All subjects of my interest, maybe your interest too, and you can review those 100 videos by subscribing.